What's up, guys? So today we're going to be showing you how to put the windows in on your TJ soft top. I'm just going to show you just some little tricks and tips that I use to kind of make it a little bit easier to put the windows in. And if you've never put the windows in, this is going to show you how to do that. So first, you're obviously going to have your top up and everything like that. And then once you got that done, then we're going to be putting in the window here. So what I like to do is on this side, there's a little bit of Velcro here. And there's Velcro on the back side of here, and I just like to kind of just stick it on and kind of set it in here, so it kind of this part kind of gets held by the Velcro here, and then that way you can kind of work with it here. So we're gonna come over here. Now on the passenger side, the zipper is on the top. So what you want to do is you want to just, there's this little metal piece here, you're going to slip that in just like a coat would. And you're going to usually take my left finger here and put it behind the zipper back here. And then I'm just going to pull a little bit. So I'm going to get started just a little bit. And then what you want to do is you're going to grab this rubber or this plastic piece here. You're going to want to set it all in here first. Once that's all set in there and in there good, what I'm going to do is you're going to flick this down here, and then you're going to just kind of push it in like that. And then you can continue that the whole way. Another thing you want to consider too is you can push it in and it's not all the way in. You want to make sure it's all the way in. Okay, so once I got that in, now you can go up top here and zipper it. Now, if you get zipper pulls, that's gonna help a lot. So I'd recommend getting some type of zipper pull, because trying to get your finger in here might be a little bit harder, but with the zipper pull, it's much easier. So I'm just gonna zipper just like this, all the way down. And another thing you're gonna wanna consider, is you're gonna wanna make sure that the rear sail is far enough back that it doesn't interact with the window. So you wanna make sure there's just a little bit of a gap there. That way it can sit good, just like that. I stick my zipper pull in here, just like that. And then we're just gonna Velcro. Then obviously pretty simple up top. Just gonna take it like that. Velcro everything down. So that's pretty simple on the side window. I'm going to show you guys how to do the rear window now. All right, so now we're going to be at the back of the Jeep here. You're going to open your tailgate up. What I like to do is I like to take the window and just set it kind of down behind here, kind of like this. Then I'm going to come over to this right side here, and I'm just going to get the zipper started. So I'm just going to get it so it's started. So now it's sort of started. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, there's a little track here. You got these square guys that you're going to rotate kind of down. So this rubber seal is here. And then all you're going to do is you're just going to push in. Just going to push them in. Okay, so you're just going to, you're going to push them in. So I like to do that here because it's going to be a little bit harder to crank this down when this is all tight. So what you're going to want to do is, it helps if your zippers are lubed up, so make sure they're nice and clean and lubed up. Once you kind of get up to the top here, if it's difficult, pull down in the middle of the bow here, and that's going to relieve some pressure for you to be able to zip this. Same thing over here, it's kind of getting tight, so we can kind of pull down a little bit, and that's going to help us here. So once you're done with that, then you're going to take these little guys and you're going to put them in here. And that's just that simple. And then you got the seal here that's going to seal that up nice and good. And you're good to go. All right, so last we're gonna do the driver's side. Very simple. Like I said, you can either Velcro it on there or you can just kind of stick it back there. And that might help too. Sometimes if you stick it on, it's a little bit harder. But another tip here, the zipper is on the actual window on the driver's side for whatever reason. So you're just gonna reach up into here, grab in here. Actually, it helps if you do just stick it a little bit. And then we're gonna zipper that. Make sure this is all nice and tight. Make sure this plastic thing goes into this little groove. So there's this little plastic with your door surround. You're just gonna wanna get this plastic in here. Nice and good. And then pull this down here. Make sure this is far enough over. And then you're just gonna push this all in here. And then continue the zipper. Gonna set this in. So I've noticed a lot of times Jeeps won't have this fully pushed in. You want to get this fully pushed in down here. So yeah, so anyway guys, that's how you do your soft top windows, how to put them in. Obviously I have a video on how to take your whole top down, so you want to know how to unzip it, but obviously it's just the exact opposite of what we just did here. So that's how you properly do your windows. A couple little tips on pulling the bow down in the back to do the rear window. And the biggest key is if you're having trouble with your zippers, make sure they're clean and make sure they're lubricated. Once they're clean and lubricated, they're a lot easier to do. So if you're having trouble with that, try that. But yeah, so that's how you properly do your windows. If you guys liked the video, thought it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.